Hello, my name is Viviana Yepes. Me and my wish. Mainly in my life there are graves, God's which I would like to accomplish with the help of God and my passion to improve it. In my first place, I wish that God keep me and my family wherever each one of them is. I also wish my children to grow up healthy and blizzard bike gap so that they can carry out any task or commitment that like puts in their work. I also wish my child, children to grow up healthy and blessed by God so that they can carry out any takes of commitments that like put in their work. I wish that Jesus God kicks them from them. He kicks me and gives me the necessary strength to fight in this difficult life. I also wish that the work of the teacher be recognized and well paid. Since the teacher and teaching is the poorly paid sector of society. I greatly wish that economic inequality in that there be equality for all within a society where there are only difference. Where there is a lot of violence, I wish that all that took in. Thank you.